We are here at the India Art Festival. There is so much creativity here. I can't wait to explore. Experience the burst of colors, a myriad of emotions, and the power of expression where art truly speaks. Join the celebration with 350 artists, 3,500 artworks, 100 booths, and 30 galleries. An art extravaganza like no other. This event moves from Bengaluru to Mumbai and Hyderabad. Let's dive into the palette talks where artists unveil the stories behind their creations. Does this house bring back memories of South Indian charm? Jnani Arts presented the works of many talented artists in this festival.
நான் கும்பகோணம் அரசு ஓவியக் கல்லூரியில் 5 ஆண்டுகள் படித்து பட்டம் வாங்கினேன். அங்கே படிக்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு அவுடோர் ஸ்டடின்னு ஒன்று உண்டு. அப்போ பக்கத்தில் உள்ள வில்லேஜ் இங்கெல்லாம் போய் ஸ்டடி பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ கும்பகோணத்தில் அருகில் பட்டீஸ்வரம்ன்ற ஒரு கோவில் இருக்குது. அங்கே இந்த மாதிரி மியூரல்ஸ் பெயிண்டிங்ஸ்லாம் சீலிங், இதுமாரி வால் இதிலெல்லாம் வரைஞ்சிருக்காங்க. அந்த காலத்து டைமில் இது நேச்சர் கலரை யூஸ் பண்ணி லீவ்ஸ் லைக் கறி இது மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த காலத்தில் இப்போ உள்ள கலர்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. ஸோ அங்கே நாங்கள் ஸ்டடி பண்ணும்போது அங்கேருந்து நிறைய ட்ராயிங் எல்லாம் நாங்கள் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துடுவோம். அங்கேயே கலர் பண்ணி அந்த எஃபெக்ட்லேயே பண்ணுவோம். நாங்கள் வால் டேமேஜ் ஆகியிருக்கோம், இந்த கலர்லாம் உதிர்ந்திருக்கும். இது 10ஆம் நூற்றாண்டில் உள்ள பெயிண்டிங். இதெல்லாமே அந்த உதிர்ந்திருந்த பேர் அந்த எஃபெக்ட்லேயே கொடுத்து நிறைய மீடியம் யூஸ் பண்ணி மிக்ஸ் மீடியாவில் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இதில் மெயினாக அக்ரிலிக் கலர் இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ மற்ற ஓவியங்கள் போல் இல்லாமல் இதில் இப்போ கண்ணுக்கு கவனிச்சிங்கன்னா கண் ஒன் சைடு வெளியில் வந்திருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி எஃபெக்டில் தான் அங்கே இருக்குது. ஸோ அதை பார்த்தே நான் ஸ்டடி பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்போ எல்லாமே இப்போ இல்லை, இந்த பெயிண்டிங் எல்லாம் இல்லாததுக்கு இப்போ உயிர் கொடுத்து தொடர்ந்து நம்ம பண்ணிக்கிட்டு வரேன்.
Artist Karthikeyan's painting, inspired by the Tree of Life, brings together a vibrant fusion of various flowers and birds. M. Vishwam, a talented senior artist and Kumbakonam alum, talks about his journey.
After coming to the Chennai, different kind of art movement I find. Slowly my figurative as well as the non-figurative, it is a different kind. Finally I come to the abstract side. When I got the national award and all, it is the semi-abstract. So now this is a stage my paintings. Yeah. It is in mixed with acrylic color. Mostly I'm doing oils, acrylic and oils.
Kumar, another remarkable artist, specializes in pen and ink creations on canvas. Paintings without paint. Meet Nool Ovian or thread artist Bhupati.
My medium is only threads. I don't use paint here. This is a new concept of art making using only threads. I'm actually an entrepreneur, so turning into artist. That's my favorite. You can see the fire and the Kambala. The colored one is the reflection in the water. The top black and white is the real one, but I made it silent. That's a silent forest because I was so fascinated about the water reflection.
Thread magic in every piece. This stall is sheer innovation. Ever wondered about stolen Indian bronze sculptures? Artist Satya Gautaman's series of sculptures on canvas sheds light on this intriguing history.
Years back, the theme I chose was sculptures, and when I went hunting for getting the original Chola bronzes, I realized most of them have been smuggled out. So this has been my theme since 8 years, to bring awareness on the lost sculptures. Here, she has been brought back. She was smuggled abroad and currently now at Tanjore Palace Museum. She is at again Tanjore Palace Museum. She was earlier at Svetkaraneshwara Temple, smuggled and then brought to the museum. This is Trakshra Ganapati. He was smuggled abroad and auctioned also. Actually, he was the dealer in London for some time and then auctioned. Now he is no longer on Google. I get these images from Google. And she is currently at LACMA Museum, Los Angeles. And the Idol Wing of Tamil Nadu is trying to get her back, hopefully by this year.
Endless stories woven into art by Satya Gautaman.
Generally display works of Ramesh Gurjala. He is from Srikalahasti. His style is very, very beautiful. He got kalamkari onto the canvas.
A beautiful Hanuman painting where his Lanka adventure comes alive within, all told through intricate kalamkari art. A kalamkari of Vishnu with Dashavatar unfolding within the painting. The story of Tirupati Balaji woven into this painting makes this artwork truly exceptional. A true fusion of tradition and creativity where every detail tells a tale.
This is a new form of art and it is patented. Normally, हम लोग एक फ्रेम में एक ही आर्टवर्क देखते हैं, but this is kinetic. So, for example, if you have a look at this frame from one side, there's a boy playing the duffly. But as you walk by, if you go to the other side, you find another lady playing violin. But the story is not about left and right. The real story is in the center. And if you see from the center, you see an image which is not there, and yet you're distinctly seeing it. So that's the spiritual touch.
This young artist's work breathes life into everyday moments.
We are kind of running and rushing in today's world to fancy things and fancy places, and I want that people should just come a little slow a little down and take a look at the surroundings. That's what I like to depict in my art. But this is the old India, old city, old Madras that I wanted to capture. Similarly, in this piece, I just came across two ladies who were just sitting and chit-chatting with each other, and I just wanted to capture that moment that they were having in the morning, sipping their coffee and buying groceries and connecting with each other. I take multiple reference pictures. I have a sketchbook. I sketch it out, my ideas, my compositions. I make little changes, and then I take it out on the canvas.
Artist Veena, a senior artist, has 19 years of teaching experience.
I take a theme called Kunchodbhava Bharata Samskriti. I work based on the culture and tradition of Samskriti. This time I have taken a theme of a Hampi. Hampi, a UNESCO heritage site, where the Vijay Vithala temples, Krishna and all, I have taken the carvings which are done on the pillars and all. So I'm focusing on this.
It was a delight to see the diverse forms of Krishna brought to life by artist Veena's insightful explanations. Guided by her mentor Shyamala, artist Tibby brings her childhood to life. Grandmas in church with large hoop earrings, flowers, farmers and colocasia leaves, all painted in rich acrylics, reflecting Kerala's soul.
My basic medium is the paper and the color pencils, and that's what I really enjoy. The reason I use color pencil is to get more vibrant colors and the detailing I can do. So in this whole thing today, we have tried to show a concept of the different kind of conversations an individual person is doing.
His paintings capture the many emotions of women, celebrating the essence of womanhood. A sea of art, endless stories. Don't miss this vibrant showcase. Head to India Art Festival Insta for all the deets.